Feeling overwhelmed with where to begin your studies? Don't worry, we all start somewhere. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to help you start studying from scratch and to stay consistent. Step 1. Set clear goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Whether it's improving your grades, or learning a new skill, or just having a steady routine. Having a clear objective gives you direction. Make your goals specific and measurable. For example, instead of saying, I want to study more, say, I will study physics for 30 minutes every day this week. This makes it easier to track your progress. Step 2. Create a schedule. Break your goals down into smaller tasks and assign specific time to work on them. Remember, consistency is the key. Make studying a habit even if you start with just 15 to 20 minutes a day. Step 3. Set up your study space. Find a space free from distraction where you can focus well. Keep it clean and organized so you're more likely to stay productive. Step 4. Start small and build momentum. Don't accept to study for hours right away. Begin with short sections and gradually increase your time. Focus on understanding rather than memorizing the things. Step 5. Use Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This will help you to stay focused and avoid burnout. Step 6. Review and reflect. At the end of your section, review what you have learned. Reflect on what worked and what did not, and adjust your plan for the next sections. Remember, starting from zero is totally normal. With the right mindset, goals, and consistency, you will gradually build your study routine. Take it one step at a time, and don't forget to celebrate your small wins. You have got this. Start small, stay consistent, and watch yourself grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to start their study journey.